Hi, today in front of me VIVO Y22s and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search bar you should enter Ampere. Now we should get this first application, that's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After the installing, you should just open the app. Click yes, agree, be close and tap to OK. And after that we can see here information about our battery condition. In my case the battery is in a good condition. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.